Dear friend, you train hard, you eat well. It should be enough to keep you in good health and physically and emotionally strong, yet, there is a danger lurking in our bodies that's not only hidden from us, but which even doctors are failing to identify. It affects nearly everybody, no matter how active or sedentary you are, or how old or young you are. Here is the truth: most people don't realize the cause of their problems is tight hip flexors. The impact the hips had on the whole body never occurred to me until I saw the effect that tight hip flexors had on the health and well-being of my wife after she gave birth. It was only then that I truly understood the magnitude of the problem. We're not just talking about a bit of soreness. Tight hip flexors are the root cause of problems such as nagging joint pains in your legs, lower back or hips, walking with discomfort, hips locking up, bad posture, trouble sleeping, sluggishness in day-to-day life, high anxiety, digestive problems, compromised immune system, circulatory issues, loss of sexual performance, lack of explosiveness in the gym or sports. If any of these sound familiar to you, don't worry, because you're not alone. The truth is, you can learn to release your tight hip flexors on your own. Click the link in the description to see how you can unlock your hip flexors with easy sequential flow method.